Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming prerequisites: battery above 20%, a reliable USB cable, and Wi-Fi if using Cloud Restore. First, open Google Photos and check trash within 60 days. Restore immediately if present. Once done, inspect settings right arrow accounts right arrow backup to see if System or Samsung Cloud saved copies. If no cloud copy exists, make sure developer options are enabled and USB debugging is on so you can connect the phone to a PC for forensic recovery tools. Once your phone is connected with USB debugging, install ADB drivers and a reputable Android data recovery tool on your computer. Use ADB to verify connection, DB devices. Next, create a full logical image or pull the DSIM and pictures folders. When possible, create a bit-for-bit image with DD to avoid altering device storage. After the image is saved, point the recovery software to that file and start a deep scan for deleted JPG and PNG files. Recovering originals, you finish by exporting recovered files to your computer and verifying each image opens correctly. Rename and organize them before copying back to the phone or uploading to cloud backup. If the recovery yields fragmented files, use file carving options in the software to reconstruct partial images. Make sure to avoid writing new data to the phone. Once overwritten, deleted photos are unrecoverable. If you still get nothing, stop further use and consider a professional data forensics service as the final reliable option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.